In this video, we'll go through the steps of how to add a Zoom link to your Canvas course. First, from within your Canvas course, locate the module that you would like to add the Zoom link to. Click the plus icon in the top right corner of the module. In the Add Item menu that appears, click on the Add drop-down menu, then select the External Tool option. Scroll down the list until you see the Zoom option, then click on it to select it. Next, click the Add Item option in the bottom right corner of the dialog box. A Zoom link will be added to the module. From here, you can click on the link and either schedule or import your meetings within the Zoom menu that appears. Finally, when you are finished scheduling or importing your Zoom meetings, make sure that your Zoom link is set to publish so that it will be visible to your students.